Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove object from photo in Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 13 or Android 14. Okay, first of all, you can open your gallery application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then you're going to select a photo you want to remove the object from. And for example, I'm gonna go with this photo. We can tap on the photo and we can tap on this pencil icon, and then we can click on this button or this icon, and you're going to click on object eraser. And after that, you can tap on the object you want to remove from your photo, and I'm gonna go with this object. So we can just click on the object like this, and after that you can click on erase. Okay, and just wait for a moment. All right, and now as you can see that the object I have selected is removed, and after that you just need to click on done right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove object from photo in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.